1 minute, and if they are schooling, then
That's
they'll
Tyler.
surface.
That's my daddy.
See, in the
That's
summertime,
Mr.
man,
Mike.
when Austin comes
I'm
with
Austin.
us, if you're out here
We're out on the boat.
5:30 in the
Ready
morning,
to fish.
I mean, we stay in 50, 60 feet of water, and that's all we look for.
Say hey,
Schooling
Tyler.
fish, and it's so fun. I mean, that's where he caught his big bass.
It's hard.
All the striper fishing is
Sorry.
unbelievable out here, and that's all you do. You just go and you just look for schooling fish. And, but they'll resurface once the water calms down. But if it's windy, and
Austin,
stuff,
look at my eyes.
you won't ever see them.
You got one straight.
It's like me and Tyler was on one last year, the biggest school we ever seen. And this guy called another guy to tell him, because we were all fishing it. The guy comes there with a great big boat, and the waves just pushed the fish right on that.
No, try looking for me out there. Look.
Tyler's holding up his hands like,
Tyler.
Now do it. Look at Mr. Mark again. And look at your dad. And then look up.
Okay, say bye.